block's gonna pop off on its own.
The green was forward? Is that what you did?
Yep, forward.
Okay.
That slides your carriage forward.
Yep, okay.
And then you just run, hit start. Crimp is for your crimper.
Mm-hmm.
And you just hit start. So we can go a little deeper, and that would be adjusted right here. I'll show you.
Okay, get
The
it to bend a
crimp.
little more.
Yep. So you loosen this here, then there's this tool right here.
Okay.
That goes right down inside. It should. And that's how you adjust this up and down. I'll do it just a little bit. Let's see, we're about right there. So you can see it moving.
Mm-hmm.
And that's how that would be deeper. And then that raises it. And that's on the customer's preference on what they want.